Today, we are reviewing the Apple 35-watt dual USB-C port power adapter. It's a glorious day. First of all, let's just commend Apple for finally coming out with a dual port power adapter. Thank you. Next, let's commend them on the power. We went from 5 to 20 to 35. Thank you. Next, let's talk about the design. You see that? You see how beautiful that was? Because after you plug it in and it's pretty flat against the wall, your cords get to hang down instead of out and bending down. Thank you. Now, on a less dramatic note, this is by far our favorite power adapter that Apple has come out with to date. We absolutely love this adapter. I mean, how can you not? This is great for couples. I swear it is, because anytime me and my other half go anywhere, we bring this charger, we're able to plug in both of our phones in one place out of one socket, and then we have one free socket for anything else. Wow, it's beautiful. Now, this power adapter is slightly bigger than the 20-watt adapter, but we love it. To us, it's absolutely worth it. Now, any two devices that we plug into this usually charge within a reasonable time. Cords don't get messed up, so we absolutely love this adapter. Now, once again, this is the Apple 35-watt dual USB-C port power adapter. If you have one, let us know how much you love it. And if you don't have one and you decide to buy one, let us know how much you love it. Thanks again.